Play with your car, honey. Landon, don't play with the batteries. Don't play with the batteries. Close it. Put the car through, honey.
Huh?
Put the car through.
The car through?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah, but you have to turn it on.
Turn on?
Yeah. Now put the car through.
Huh?
Put the car through.
This?
The other direction.
Huh?
You have to do it the other direction, honey.
Like this?
Yep. And push it through. Woo!
Do that again.
Why don't you do it? You should watch Mommy. You put it here and just let him do that. All right.
I can't do that.
You can do it. Just kind of push him lightly in there. There you go. You did it. He's going a long time. Yeah, this one car works really well. Yep. Yeah. The other direction, honey. Not through that way. Here, put it this way. Oh, he fell off. Lightly. There you... That side doesn't work very well, honey. Do this one. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Over here. Over here. No. Landon. Pick up your hand and put it here. There you go. There we go. Oh, that was a quick one. Oh! The trucks don't work on that, honey. Yeah? Oh no, don't get him caught. Don't get him caught, it'll break.
Ow! You just hurt me.
I didn't hurt you.
Yes, you did.
The car crashed into your truck.
Do that again. Ow! Do that again. Do that again. Do that again, Mom. Ow! Now it's good, Mom.
The truck doesn't work. And I don't know where the other car went, the one that does work with it, that came with it. You had it, and I don't know where it went.